Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm gonna tell you about my project. My project is based on young people who are interested in the business sector, in marketing and economy of Bukhara region. And the purpose of the program is to stimulate youth activity in the field of entrepreneurship by implementing a system of measures aimed at involving young people. The objective of this program is to popularize commercial activity among young people, to create an entrepreneurial environment. The third one is to, what do you think? Is training of our youth and support them. So, well, I have explained my program, now let's get it working. This program will work in three main areas. The first step is to involve youth in entrepreneurship, create events accompanying young businessmen. And the second, not less important step is to support in entrepreneurship. It's in economic activities of creativity, providing advisory and infrastructure support. And this stage will help to understand the value of money and how to make it work. And the third one is to support successful entrepreneurs. And by creation communication station platform for successful young entrepreneurs, which gives them chance work at distance. So, let's talk about implementation plan in the territorial region in the Bukhara from 2019 to 2020. This project will implement us through 5 stages of application. Firstly, it's popularization, which means advertising. Secondly, it is involvement of our youth in this project. The third one is training of our youth and selection people with ability. And the last one is to support them. Now I want to tell you about popularization. Here, first of all, we need to create a website, a young businessman of Bukhara, where everyone who are interested in the business sector will be familiarized and informed about this program. We need to create events accompanying young businessmen. And the second is to involvement of our youth in this sphere and how we will evolve. Here, first of all, we need to discuss how and what ways. To begin with, we shall hold a seminar meeting of youth strategy workers of the Bukhara region and launch as a program. And also, we need to have a trainings. We need to create a site of trainings participants where everyone will set business trainers for trainings. Also, after that, we will select a young people with the ability to undertake and select promising business ideas. And I think, and the last step is to represent Bukhara regional in regional and inter-regional forums. And I think all is in your hands. Thank you.